In this video, we will discuss a theorem which is related to locally connected. So here is the statement, and the statement states that show that every open subset of a locally connected space is locally connected. Suppose X is a topological space that is locally connected and let O be any open subset of X. Then we want to show that O is locally connected. So this is your topological space, and we took a O that is an open subset of X, and then we took a point randomly. We took a point P that is arbitrary, you can choose any point, so we took it as a P. Then there exists an open subset U which is contained in this O. As you can see, this U is contained in this O, and a connected open set V is a connected open set, so it will be connected to U in this manner, and this V is also contained in this X, both of which containing P. As you know that U and V both are connected, so they are connected through a point that is P. Okay, so they have a, if you will take an intersection of both these two open sets, you will get a point P. That's why we took it as W, and this W is the intersection of both these two, that U and V, that is U intersection V. And this is open, this W is open because U and V both are open, and the intersection of open set will be an open set. That's why this W is open and contains the point P. Therefore W is also neighborhood of P, and this W is contained in U, and this U is contained in O. If W is connected, then we are done. Then there is nothing to prove if we are saying that W is connected. So we will discuss a case that this W is not connected. Now suppose that W is not connected, hence can be written as a disjoint union of two open set A and B. If you're saying that this W is not connected, then you can take randomly any two disjoint union sets, and these union sets will be, these sets will be open set, and we took it as a named as A and B. So the union of both these, A union B, will be W, and as we said that W is the intersection of U and V, so this W will be the intersection of both these U and V, and intersection of both these U and V intersection is contained in V, so we can write it as U intersection V is contained in V. But since V is connected, okay, at the starting of the statement we said that V is connected, so we will write, but since V is connected, then the only closed open subset, closed open means close as well as open, but since V is connected, then the only closed open sets of V are phi and V itself. Okay, we get the following cases. Now we are discussing two cases. In the first case, we are saying that this both A and B sets, which we took it as a disjoint sets, so we are taking A and B is equals to phi. We have a contradiction since P belongs to W, as W is equals to A union B, and we are saying that both are phi, so W is equals to phi. But this is a contradiction because as we said that this W has a point P. Okay, it contains a point P, so it is a contradiction. Then now we will discuss case 2, and the case 2 is either this A is equals to V, and where V is a connected set obviously, or you can say that this B is equals to V. Then we can say that V is equals to A union B, but this A union B is equals to W, as we said earlier, and this W is equals to the intersection of U and V. This U and V is contained in U, and as well as it is contained in O. Since P belongs to V and V is contained in U, U is contained in O, therefore this O is locally connected, since the choice of B was arbitrary, as we took this point P as arbitrary, and we proved that this O is locally connected.